Pre-Aspirants from Auxilium Convent to present a beautiful and prayerful dance. Through movement and grace, they remind us of St. Augustine's word. Dancing is the soul's silent poem to God. The prayer dance is, "The Lord has found me." Forever in your grace, O Lord, is a song which speaks about the profound acknowledgement of Constance's reliance on divine grace. In human life, without the grace of God, we are nothing. But in Jesus, we know that we will surely be perfect disciples, for His love never fails. In His grace, we stand unshaken by the storms of our life, for He holds us in His loving arms.
Kapajisha kalau ukenra ula shemya junong hajia e junmi ukenra kade gejingwai kabakren chapang gejing priang kojeliu jogajishanya hajia e bakenjablai hajia e priu lan gejing e ublai ngimlong e henry hau jisu ngitip bangin salong shisha isumran kabajanai namar gejing e jungu kang jutu hajia e jungu ngiyang kan siapkan ki hagi eryong jong jigi joni ubat ini hagi ti bayi cepu minta dongin pe ya jingkwai balapan wandur hagi sha kebangsaan ini dari Pre-Aspirants napo auxilium nong thamai.